Halloween. For most children, Halloween is the time to go trick-or-treating. For Bethany Hamilton, it was a chance to catch the perfect wave. Surfing was Bethany's passion. The 13-year-old girl had plenty of talent. Each night she dreamed of becoming a pro surfer. Bethany Hamilton. So, at sunrise on October 31st, 2003, Bethany was already at the beach. She pushed her board into the surf. Floating in the crystal-clear Hawaiian water, she let her arm dangle below the surface. Bethany was waiting for the next wave. Instead, out of nowhere, came a giant gray blur. Bethany felt a tug. The water turned red with blood. Bethany was attacked by a tiger shark that was about 14 feet, 4 meters long. Tiger sharks are the most dangerous sharks in Hawaiian waters. A tiger shark. A family of surfers. If anyone was born to surf, it was Bethany Hamilton. She jokes that she was born with salt water in her veins. In fact, Bethany grew up in a family of surfers. Her parents loved the sport so much that they moved to Hawaii and never left. The waves for surfing there were just too good. Bethany's parents. Sherry Hamilton, Tom Hamilton. Surfers need waves to propel them across the water. Around the islands of Hawaii, there are plenty of waves. They are often very big, too. So Hawaii is the place to be for surfers. People have been surfing in the area for more than 1,000 years. Bethany was born in Hawaii. She was just 5 years old when she first started surfing. A surfer riding a huge wave in Hawaii. Keeping up. Bethany was the youngest of the family's 3 kids, and she was the only girl. Her brothers, Timmy and Noah, loved sports. They played fast and tough. To keep up, Bethany learned to be tough as well. Like Bethany, Noah is a surfer. Timmy, however, prefers bodyboarding. This sport is similar to surfing, except that bodyboarders usually lie down on their boards rather than stand on them. Bodyboarder in Hawaii. Bethany often got knocked down in soccer and tackled in football, yet it didn't bother her. She loved sports and she loved competing. Most of all, she loved to surf. By the age of 7, Bethany was entering surfing contests. Unlike other young surfers, she didn't need a parent's help to get her board out into the water. Bethany could catch her own waves. Hawaii is made up of islands in the Pacific Ocean. They are about 2,500 miles, 4,023 kilometers from the U.S. mainland. Bethany grew up on the Hawaiian island of Kauai. Winning. When Bethany was 8 years old, she scored her first big win. It was the Rel Sun Menehune Surf Contest, a competition for kids under 13 years old. Bethany was nervous. Many great surfers had entered. The waves were huge. One girl wiped out and ended up with a deep cut across her throat.
Ooh. So we are going to pause there. You're going to give me a prediction or an inference. How do you think Bethany did in this very dangerous competition?